Today I am reviewing this table light. It's cordless, it's battery powered, so you don't need a plug. You could put it anywhere. There's this really cool glass top. You could fit stuff in here if you want, like a little vase or something. It doesn't get hot or anything, so it should be fine. You have the silicone little feet right here, so it's going to stay nice and steady. Charge it with USB-C on the side. You see, you turn it on, and it's also dimmable. And it recharges super fast, comes with the charging cable and everything you need. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge it. It should give you about 15 to 20 hours of light, depending on how you dim it. And there's no remote needed to dim it, just very simple. Watch, you just hold down this button and either dims it down. So you can have, like, looks like a little candlelight. I think my wife's really gonna like that. She hates bright lights. So that she can just dim it, have like a little ambiance light, and then just hold it down and it goes up to like looking like a lightsaber. You can swing it all around. So pretty cool, versatile, and it looks cool. Like, it has this like frosted glass look. You see here, little light, nice and heavy and really nice, and I think you'll enjoy it, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.